Okay, good morning, dear students. This is the lecture related to the singular and non-singular matrix. Basically, these type matrix are useful for finding the inverse of a matrix. First is the singular matrix. A singular matrix, a square matrix. Basically, this both the condition are both the condition are used in only the square matrix. A square matrix whose determinant is 0 is called a singular matrix. It's very simple definition. For example, suppose that this is 0, 0, 0. This is a matrix of order 3 into 3. Okay. Second is 4, 5 and 6. Third is 1, 2 and 3. In this case, this is the first row of this matrix is 0. So the determinant of this matrix is equal to 0. Then this type matrix is known as the singular matrix. So the definition of the singular matrix is that if the determinant of the matrix is equal to 0, then always the matrix are singular matrix. Second is non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix are those matrices which determinant is not equal to 0, or we can say that the determinant we can calculate the inverse of the matrix. Okay, a square matrix, a square matrix whose determinant is not whose determinant is not equal to 0. Okay, a square matrix whose determinant is not equal to 0 is known as a non-singular matrix. For example, suppose that a matrix A equal to this 1, 2 and 3, 4, then the determinant of this matrix A equal to 1, and determinant of this is equal to 4 minus 6, it is equal to minus 3. Then if the determinant of this is not equal to 0, it means this is a non-singular matrix. Okay. Next is the inverse of the matrix. In next lecture we will learn about the inverse of the matrix, and always the inverse of the matrix equal to, this is the adjoint of a matrix A upon determinant of A. Okay, this is the formula for calculating the inverse of a matrix. In this type, if we want to find the inverse of a matrix, then always the denominator part is not equal to 0. Okay, it means we can calculate the inverse of the matrix of a non-singular type matrix. If you have a non-singular type matrix, then you can calculate the inverse of the matrix. Otherwise, you can't calculate the inverse of the matrix, because in the denominator, if we have 0, then this value equal to infinite, and we can't calculate the inverse of a matrix. Okay, student. In our next lecture, we will learn about the inverse of a matrix. Thank you.